Good morning, everybody. I want to go through step-by-step how to access some assignments through our literacy platform. So I have logged on through ClassLink portal. See our ClassLink portal. I've logged in as a student, and I can see all the different apps that I can access through the ClassLink portal. Okay? So our literacy platform is this HMH Ed for students. Okay, see the little Ed, he's your friend, smiling. If I click on this, it's going to take me to my home page, my dashboard for HMH. Okay? It's going to say, hi, Jonah. Hey, Jonah, if you're watching. Okay? I've logged in as him. Down here, it says due today and overdue assignments. It says 0. No assignments are due today. However, if you click on view all assignments, it's going to bring up 4 things to do. All right? 4 things to do. Even though the due date says due in 7 days, I've just given you some extra time, okay, to log on. Some families may not be able to log on and get this done today. They may not be able to do it tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. They may need all weekend to do this, and that's okay. So I've given you extra days to complete these assignments. However, I want you to do these. These assignments need to be completed at least by the 24th of August, okay? So the Read Aloud book, You Will Be My Friend. I've recorded myself reading this book to you all. However, you can go on and read this book in your own time, okay? The cool thing about this platform, it pulls up the books, all the pictures, and it can read to you. Oops, sorry guys, my battery's running low. So it can read to you. When I click out of that, it'll take me back to my home page, okay? You can either click continue or I'm done. When you're finished completely with the assignment, make sure you click I'm done, and then I can see that you finished it on my end. Okay, the next assignment, Start Right Reader. Continue this. Okay, it'll pull up an easy reader, a decodable text, okay? Read through that. Don't forget to click I'm done when you're completely finished with the book. Okay, this is going to help us because in a couple, actually next week, we're going to have an assessment that you all need to take. It's very important for you all to take this assessment next week when we assign it. So get on here, play around, do the assigned tasks. Right here when it says online assessment, this is just a fun little quiz after you read My School Trip, and that's tomorrow, Tuesday. You'll read My School Trip tomorrow. Okay, so do this quiz tomorrow after you read My School Trip. And then another easy reader, a decodable text. So get on here, play around, have fun, read some good books. You Will Be My Friend. I love that book. It's so cute. But get on here, play around, finish the tasks, and let me know if you have any questions. I'm going to post this to Dojo and to Canvas and to YouTube. So get busy, have fun, and good luck.